So Michelle from China, you put your bike down on the ground over here. What are you doing now?
We're on the track, we're on the field. Today we're gonna learn how to run, okay? So it's a full body movement, okay? It's everything. You gotta be aware of your arms and your legs, okay, and your breathing, okay, and your head, okay? So let's start with the arms. You wanna use this to pump, okay? Some people say ear to hip, okay? So you wanna keep it like this and at a...
Ear to hip?
Yeah.
Oh, the hand.
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to think of it like that, okay? I'm not like completely, I mean, you could do it like that, but
Yeah.
it's a waste of energy, okay?
Yeah.
But if you notice, the sprinters, they use the arms to guide the legs. So
Yeah.
when your legs get tired, you just remember your arms
Yeah.
and your legs will follow,
Yeah,
okay?
don't run in front of a car, yeah.
So, they write that when you run. So you want to pump them, pump, pump, pump. The more fiery it is, okay, the faster you'll go.
Yeah.
Sprinting technique. Focus on pump, 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 pump. So if you're at your desk,
And do the other side?
if you're sitting down, you can also go fast, fast, fast. If you want to run fast, your arms are going to have to follow. They're not like this, okay?
True that.
Well,
Yeah.
you could be holding onto something, so.
Yeah, try running fast with your arms down by the side. It's a lot harder, isn't it?
Yeah, okay, so you want to use it to propel. Now let's talk about the legs. Most people, when they run, they just go, oh, next step, next step, next step. But they don't know that you are trying to put force and drag back. Drag back. You're going to use that force. I don't know what the science is, scientific word. You're going to use it to drag it behind you, okay? You're going to take a step forward. You're not going to go too forward.
So
You're going to need to film yourself.
Michael
okay?
Jackson moonwalk.
And you're going to drag the ground behind you.
Yeah,
You're going to imagine
drag
that
queen.
you're like this, okay?
Okay, doggy paddle.
And next step. And the thing with the arms and the legs is you're going to alternate them. Okay, so left leg, right arm. Left arm, right leg.
What happens if you do matchy-matchy? Do it.
Let's try.
Let's do it.
It's kind of weird.
There you go. Yeah, I see.
Does cats even walk like that?
It's starting a new trend.
Okay, so that's what you want to do. Okay. Alternate, because it's just more balanced.
So when the cat walks, what does it do with its arms?
Arms.
Yeah.
Front, we call them legs.
Well, you said cats. When
Well,
a cat,
some they go like this.
because cats, I seen on Instagram the other day, cats walk down the street on its legs, and its arms. It's got its earphones and it's swapping the phone, walking down the street holding the bag.
I think that's AI.
Nah.
But
I've seen it.
gorillas
I've seen it. I've seen it on Instagram.
Gorillas can get up.
Yeah,
and they
okay.
can walk on it.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyways, back to the topic.
Yeah. I've seen a girl dance with a cat
You
on a
also want
bicycle.
to keep your eyes up and looking where you want to go. So
Oh,
don't
yeah.
be looking on the ground. This actually saves you time.
But what if you were looking for money or something?
You could, but I mean, this is to go fast and to go longer.
Oh, okay.
Because if you're looking down.
Oh, I got you. So be aware of the ground, but not looking at the ground.
Yeah. Be
So,
aware.
chin up, eyes
when
down.
When you run, you want to have a full scan.
Oh, yeah, makes sense.
If you're head down, you don't know what you're running into. You might
Yeah,
be short
okay.
vision. You want to be long, close distance.
Yeah,
like,
scanning.
Vision.
Yeah.
Okay. And so with breathing, you want to breathe. A lot of people are like, oh, I can't breathe because there's someone there watching me or like walking past me. They're
Mouth
gonna hear
shut.
me breathe.
Yeah.
And then they turn red. They can't
Oh, yeah.
breathe. Their muscles are fatiguing. All that. Okay.
And fat escapes
So-
the body through the mouth.
So,
People
yes.
don't
breathe with
understand
your
that.
mouth. You can breathe with your nose. There's different types, okay? Some you can just go, but open your mouth. Don't be scared to open your mouth and
Yeah.
breathe.
If
Okay?
bottom line, if you want to burn more fat, keep your mouth open all times. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And
Good
what
luck.
other tech? We can talk about.
Posture, upper body.
Yeah, it's gonna be up. Okay.
Yeah.
And you're gonna think of. Okay, it depends on where you're running because if you're going uphill, your body's gonna be more like this.
Flat.
okay? So it kind of comes naturally to you.
Well,
Just do it.
what happens if you're running up a hill and you just lean back? You fall back down the hill?
You probably roll down. I'm just kidding.
Okay.
I don't know. I've never tried that.
Yeah.
It's really natural for you to go like that. So a lot of people
Lean
say,
into
"Oh,
the
I
hill."
don't know how to run." It's built in you. Everyone is going to run. If someone or a dog is chasing you, you're gonna run. Okay, so it's
Yeah.
in you. Just try it.
Well,
And
some people eat so much dog and cat and rat and cow and chicken that they can't even run.
well,
they can
I'm
roll.
saying you
They roll down the
should-
hill.
You should be able to.
Yeah, you should be able to run.
You should be able to run. And some people are saying, "Oh, running is bad this and that. It is a higher impact
Obesity is bad for your joints.
than riding,
Yeah.
I would say, but everyone should be able to run. Not everyone doesn't.
Obviously, we're talking able body,
you don't
you know?
have that.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you don't use it as an excuse.
Yeah, if
okay?
you have the ability to run, then you should look after yourself so you can do that.
Yeah, and I'm not saying you need to do
Self-respect.
ultra marathons and things like that.
Just a marathon's enough.
Just running down to the shop or,
Yeah.
coming down here.
Jogging
if
with
you
the
need
kids.
To, running with
Yeah.
your kids, exactly. Okay? So that's a little tip. Just try it, okay? Keep your shoulders up because you want chest up. And after you run, you can open it up to open up your airways and your rib cage
Yeah.
so more oxygen can come in.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay?
Oxygen's important.
So
What about nutrition?
that's just a little bit of it. There's like more science with how much you should like ride or whatever.
Yeah.
Things like that. Just keep it
What are the
simple.
skinniest, fastest runners eat? What's their diet based on?
So you need to be eating carbohydrates.
Oh, wow.
Okay, everyone needs to be eating carbohydrates, whether you're an athlete or not. Okay, that is your energy source. It's crazy
Yeah.
what people say now. Oh, zero carb, zero sugar.
No,
stuff.
no fast runners doing that.
Yeah, all the
can't, you
athletes and
can't.
everyone who's fast
You'd
and
be
good,
embarrassingly slow.
They're
Yeah.
eating the carbs.
Smashing
okay?
it down.
Yeah, it could be sweet potato, plain sugar. Some people are saying honey, like whatever that guy said. Jam is a good alternative, which is sugar,
Yeah.
syrup, maple syrup. It's sugar.
That's
okay?
right. The best runners are eating 120 to 200 grams an hour of
And
sugars.
before and
and
after
female.
and during
Yeah, that's
your
right.
workout. Because some people
right.
are saying before workout it's protein. Oh no, before workout it's carbs because it burns carbs or it doesn't burn fat. Cardio only burns carbs, not fat. And then after you need to immediately have 100 grams of protein 15 minutes after.
Those people are never fast or lean.
So that's what they say. It's
For
carbs
life.
before, during, after.
That's
all
correct.
of it, okay?
Correct. Carbs for the win.
There you
Good
go.
tips, Michelle. Good tips.
One super important tip I forgot to mention is that we should be running on our balls of our feet and our toes. We should not be heel striking. So when you plant your foot down, when you take that step, you should not be putting your heel first, okay? That damages, it sends a lot of impact onto your hips and your spine and all that, okay? And it's not good for you long term, okay? And that's why you might get lots of pain in running. So balls, feet, toes, okay?